Essential phases of the software testing lifecycle. STLC. Phases of the STLC. The software testing lifecycle, STLC, is a systematic process used in software development to ensure the quality and reliability of a software product. It consists of several phases and activities that help identify and address defects or issues in the software. Here are the typical phases of the software testing lifecycle. Requirement analysis. In this phase, testers and QA professionals analyze the project's requirements and specifications to understand what needs to be tested. They identify testable requirements and create a test plan based on these requirements. Test planning. Test planning involves creating a detailed test strategy and test plan. The test plan outlines the scope, objectives, resources, schedule, and approach for testing. It also defines test cases and test data requirements. Test design. During this phase, test cases and test scripts are created based on the test plan and requirements. Test data is prepared and test environments are set up. Test design includes defining positive and negative test scenarios. Test environment setup. Test environments, which mimic the production environment, are prepared. This includes configuring hardware, software, databases, and network settings to ensure that testing conditions are as close to the real world as possible. Test execution. Test cases are executed in the test environment. Testers run the tests, record the results, and report any defects they find. Both manual and automated testing methods can be used during this phase. Defect reporting. When defects are identified during test execution, they are documented in a defect tracking system. Each defect is assigned a severity and priority, and detailed information about the issue is recorded to facilitate communication with developers. Defect re-verification. After developers fix the reported defects, testers retest the software to ensure that the issues have been resolved correctly and that the fixes haven't introduced new defects. Regression testing. Regression testing is performed to verify that new changes or fixes haven't negatively impacted existing functionality. Test cases related to the modified or affected areas are re-executed. Test closure. Once all test cases have been executed and defects have been resolved and verified, the testing team prepares test summary reports and metrics. The testing phase is formally closed and the software is considered ready for release. Release and deployment. If the software meets the acceptance criteria and quality standards, it is prepared for release to production. The deployment phase may include activities such as user training and documentation updates. Post-release monitoring and support. After the software is deployed, it enters the maintenance phase. Testers and support teams may continue to monitor the software in the production environment, addressing any issues that arise. Test metrics and reporting. Throughout the STLC, metrics and reports are generated to track the progress of testing activities, including test coverage, defect density, and test pass/fail rates. These metrics help assess the quality of the software and the effectiveness of the testing process. The software testing lifecycle is iterative and may be repeated as necessary, especially when changes are made to the software. Effective testing is crucial for delivering a high-quality software product that meets user expectations. Meet our team. Darshit Shah. If you like this article, please show your support by clicking the like and subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Feel free to drop your thoughts and suggestions in the comments, and don't hesitate to share them with your friends. Let's embark on this learning adventure together, grow our skills, and share our knowledge. Thank you.